Across America, we're seeing inequities in healthcare and a true need for more skilled, compassionate providers. Careers in the health sciences offer many job opportunities with the ability to make a real-world impact for people when they need it the most. Grounded in our Jesuit values that honor whole-person care, Gonzaga University School of Health Sciences prepares undergraduate and graduate students to think critically and lead with integrity as they advance the health and well-being of populations locally, regionally, and nationally.
Working in our community settings, we are committed to serving the underserved, specifically those in marginalized and rural communities where traditional healthcare settings may not always be serving them at their best. We are also committed to thinking about how we develop and expand education in areas where there are critical shortages, specifically in these rural and underserved settings.
The School of Health Sciences here at Gonzaga University is really at the center of our Jesuit mission of care for the whole person, preparing students for lives of leadership and service to the common good, working with and helping individuals in need to take care of themselves so that they can take care of others. We need to be able to prepare more students that can also be not only in cities but also serving our rural communities. And here at Gonzaga University in our School of Health Sciences, we are preparing doctors and nurses to do just that.
Health sciences at Gonzaga is intentional and distinct. At Gonzaga, students develop critical thinking and communication skills alongside hands-on innovative research and experiential learning, preparing them to enter the workforce and make an impact as healthcare professionals serving the community's needs.
We have a really small institution where everyone knows everyone's name. There's a lot of one-on-one interaction and advising that's done with the faculty and the staff here. But the students also have the benefit of being a part of an institution that has a medical school right in our building. So we partner very closely with the University of Washington School of Medicine here in Spokane. We have many faculty that work for both institutions, and our students here in the School of Health Sciences get the benefit of working in those state-of-the-art facilities for anatomy and physiology, and often do research projects alongside medical students. So it's this really wonderful dichotomy, and it goes back and forth.
When it comes to the curriculum, they definitely take a holistic approach, which is nice. They definitely teach us how to treat the patient as a whole person, not necessarily just a diagnosis. Then not only do they prepare us for the pharmacology and physiology behind becoming a nurse, but they also teach you the human aspect of it, which is really great. You feel connected to everyone in the program, which is nice, especially when something like nursing can be overwhelming at times. It's nice to feel like you have a support system.
I was a part of the human physiology program, and I was able to really get to know my faculty, my professors. We had a very close class of, I think there was 36 of us that graduated. So it was a really great experience to develop that bond through education, and we had a great time going to basketball games, and I feel like I got a really good, diverse education here at Gonzaga.
At Gonzaga University School of Health Sciences, we are focused on some really innovative things. For example, our simulation, where students have the opportunity to engage with simulation through mannequins, as well as through these virtual reality activities, in addition to standardized patients with individuals who portray patients. These all are the activities and experiences that prepare students to then go on into clinical settings where they do advanced clinical practicums under the mentorship of clinical supervisors across our health network. Community-based learning and experiential research come together for the Center for Health Impact, where we're working together with communities to make real-world change. At Gonzaga University School of Health Sciences, we are preparing future leaders who will go on to advocate for the underserved in their communities. And this is especially important as we think about the critical shortages of healthcare today and how we can be then impacting the future with real-world change.
Let us help you discover your potential as an inspired practitioner and leader, committed to improving healthcare in our communities. Learn more today about the Gonzaga University School of Health Sciences, leading the way for health impact. For course information or to schedule a visit, go to gonzaga.edu/health sciences.